Watch how many ever videos you want. Read how many ever books you want. Talk to how many ever people you want. Okay? No use, friends. No use. Absolutely no use. I'll tell you why. Unless something changes, nothing will change. And what is that something? Thoughts, beliefs, feelings. Of course, you would have heard that there are 60,000 thoughts that we get every single day. But there are very few thoughts for which we give importance. You know why? Based on belief and based on feelings. I know that something will happen. My intuition is saying, I want it to happen. I will make it happen. I really want to make it happen and I will do it. What is that? Feelings, beliefs. So that is what I'm telling, friends. Unless your beliefs and your feelings change, nothing will change. Get the costliest book in the world. No use. Get the costliest course in the world and complete it 100%. No use. Unless your beliefs and your feelings change. And only when your feelings and beliefs changes, you give them a priority. Only when you give them priority, you have all the time in the world, you have all the money in the world to do whatever it takes for you to achieve your goal. Very simple. It's all about priority, friends. And priority is based on belief and feelings. If you don't believe me, I'll give you an example. I don't know what is your age. If you're a school going kid or if you're a very old person, then this example might not suit you. But since this is an example, a scenario based thing, I would want you to close your eyes and please, close your eyes and listen to me. Let's say that you're about to become a father or you're about to become a mother. Okay? And doctor had told you, gynecologist had told you, for delivery it is 80,000 rupees. Hospital charges, doctor charges, everything. Okay? 80,000 rupees. But before this happened, 1 month back, your friend had called you, close friend, and your friend had told that he or she wanted 50,000 rupees. But you told, hey Macha, 2 or 3,000 rupees I would have managed, 50,000, please don't mind, I don't have so much amount of money. And you kept off the call. You didn't have 50,000 rupees 1 month back, okay? But now you're about to become a father and you're about to become a mother, okay? Some complication happened. Some BP with cross fingers, huh? I'm just giving you an example. Because this is in reality is happening for quite a number of people, right? Some BP variations, some heart fluctuations, some sugar variations, something happened and some other procedure had to be done during normal delivery or C-section, whatever, right? And doctor told you extra 1 lakh costed. So if you are ready to bear that extra 1 lakh, then they will undertake that procedure and you just have 2 minutes to say yes or no. And if you say no, it is risk. If you say yes, you're supposed to pay 1 lakh within that 1 or 2 hours maximum amount of time that they give you. What do you do, friends? Are you ready to lose your child? Are you ready to lose your wife? Because you say, I don't have 1 lakh rupees. It's okay because my budget was 80,000. You think you say that, friends? Somehow, hook or crook, you'll sell your gold, you'll sell your, whatever things that you have. Or you will literally beg your friends, your family to give you 1 lakh. You will call so many people and somehow arrange that 1 lakh, right? Just think about this. 1 month back, when your friend asked 50,000, you didn't have. But after 1 month, when you needed 1 lakh, within 2 hours, you have arranged it. What is the difference, friends? Double to the amount of money. 50,000 double is 1 lakh you have arranged. What is the difference? Do you know what is the difference? Because you really want your wife and child to be alive. And you will do whatever it takes for you to make sure that they are alive. And what is that called as? Feelings. What is that called as? Emotional connection. So my question is very simple, friends. If you say, Ramya, okay, my name is Ramya, okay, and I coach a lot of people. By the way, let me not get into that. Let me talk about this video. Friends, if you tell me, Ramya, I really want to achieve my goal, but then that obstacle, this hurdle, that person is not leaving me, I don't know. I'll tell you something, friends, it's not your priority. The emotional connection that you have to have with your goal is not sufficient for you to take quite massive action for you to achieve your goal. Very simple, friends. Very, very simple. No magic. If you think that you don't have time, if you think that you don't have money, it's not your priority. I'm sorry. This is the hard truth. Don't say that, no, I'm a mother, I'm a father, I have so many kids, I'm a working person, I have so much of household work. Nothing matters. Nothing matters. For a person who really wants something, will make time, will make money, will make sure that he or she gets all the resources required to achieve that goal. So the question to you is your goal really a priority? And if the answer is yes, no more obstacles. No more obstacles, friends. You're going to achieve it. Okay? And by the way, how to become a genius level goal finisher. I have published a Kindle version of the book. I have, this is the link here. I have also put it in the description. So please make sure that you purchase it. You can read it in less than a week. And please provide me with your valuable feedback. It has already started to help a lot of people. I have already got 5-star ratings. Please go through that book. If you have any questions, you can comment, or my email is ramyashree.finisher finisher @gmail.com. So this is my email. You can see below. Email. Okay? And make sure that you experience your goals. Okay? See you in the next video. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and motivate me to motivate a lot of people to become goal finishers. See you in the next video. Bye.